So hi everybody, my name is and I'm doing this video of products which I use and I'm gonna review them because I bought it. No. Hi, my name is and I'm going to do a review of a product which I have received like a month ago, but I really saved it for the video. So let's start with it. So basically the brand's name is NYB. This is its corrector and one is so this is corrector and this is concealer. So let's start with it. I have not applied anything leaving my moisturizer, so if I look good, this is my natural beauty.
Oops, what is happening? What, did it just go big on your paper? Oh my god. Yeah, I think. Oh shit. I really need to see the review. What just...
Is it like broken for me? Oh. I'm back again. So first I'm gonna use is this, which is orange corrector, which I'm gonna use of NYB. So I'm gonna apply it over the cream part, which is this. When I saw this product, it was pretty orange. It was literally light orange. And when I received the product, this is what it looks like. If you feel the sponge is too dry, what you have to do is just spray a little bit of rose water in it and then start blending. Anything, like you can even blend your foundation. So now I've done this, I'm going to use the concealer which I got by NYB. Is this one. Concealer use. I just hope. See, you can't even see that, right? And just you want to cover it up. You can take a little bit of foundation. Like really less. And just place some dots. Okay? And blend. It's looking really good. So if you want to buy this product of corrector, it's really good. 10 on 10. This NYB. This has really covered it a lot. But I will see after the whole look, because sometimes it's like you cover it, but then after that it really shows up. So now I'm again gonna use my same concealer. It has this topper, you can see it. Okay, so it has kind of a stopper in it, which just make sure that you don't use a lot of concealer. So I'm gonna use it.
Okay. Not much, just make sure a bit big.
Using a lot of concealer is not good. So yeah, use the blender for concealer because that makes it stay on the place and doesn't like move from here to there. It has really given a good kind of finish and coverage. So the third product of NYB is this. And then so the concealer is pretty good. Just the beauty blender. If you use this foundation of Natural Beach of Maybelline, then this can definitely go with your skin color. So this is Toffee, yeah, this is of Toffee, NYB. All NYB products I'm using. But whatever works with you is perfect for you. Remember that. Taking the dark brown, tap it, and so this is the pencil I got free on the products which I bought. So this is Brow-klyn Bridge Eyebrow Pencil. So this is even this and this. So let's start by then what you have to do is maybe just brush it. But make sure that you don't go out of the lane in any manner. Which is the concealer of it. I use the Corrector, which is of NYBFC 10. This is the Toffee concealer and the pencil for the eyebrows even. So let's start with the concealer. This is of 176. It's like white milk chocolate something. I will clearly mention it down and link it, so buy from there because there are many fake products available. This is Toffee, which I use for this. I really love it. This cost ₹94. Is the orange concealer. It has also worked really well on my this area, which I was really concerned about. This is also 94. The another product I showed you was this one, which is the eyebrow stick. This eyebrow stick was zero because I bought this free, but I had a light membership, that's why I got this for zero. Even of purple. So if you want, then I will mention the purple link, and as well as Amazon link. I don't know about the Amazon products clearly, but I will try to see their best reviews and I will post it down. You can see the face. This is looking pretty good. I really like the face. I clicked a lot of pics that will be coming soon, but still it just gives me a lot of nice look. It's like 195, and if you take any stick it will be like 94, so it's like 300 and 400 rupees. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, which is Aditya Hatkar, and I will see you soon with a new product.